World gold price today. World gold prices increased, with spot gold rising by $27.20 to 2.660.5 USD/ounce. Gold futures last traded at 2.682.2 USD/ounce, up $22.60 compared to early this morning. Gold prices increased by more than 1% on Monday, hitting a more than 2-week high after news that the People's of China bought gold after a 6-month pause. In addition, expectations that the U.S. Federal Reserve, Fed, will cut interest rates at its meeting next week also increased buying pressure on this precious metal. Commodity strategist Bart Melek of TD Securities said that the most crucial factor driving demand for gold in the first trading session of the week was the news that the People's of China announced that it had continued to buy gold. The market hopes that other central banks will add gold to their reserves. China's continued gold purchases could support domestic investor demand. China was the world's official gold buyer in 2023, but the people of China have paused an 18-month buying streak since May. Experts added that the POC's decision to increase its gold holdings, especially after the U.S. election, reflects its proactive approach to safeguarding economic stability amid changing global conditions. Heavy central bank buying, loose monetary policy, and geopolitical tensions have pushed gold prices to multiple record highs this year, putting the metal on track for its best year since 2010, up more than 28%. Expectations of looser monetary policy are also supporting gold. The Fed kicked off its easing cycle with an unscheduled 50 basis point cut in September, followed by a 25 basis point cut in November. Traders are pricing in an 87% chance of a further 25 basis point cut by the central bank at its December 17th to 18th meeting. However, if the Fed pauses and the underlying message turns cautious, that could put temporary pressure on gold prices, said StoneX analyst Rona Okukano. Investors will focus on consumer and producer prices this week for further clues on U.S. policy. According to the CME FedWatch tool, traders are pricing at an 87% chance of a 25 basis point rate cut next week, up from 61.6% last week. With the domestic gold bar price stable and the world gold price listed at Kitco at 2.660.5 USD/ounce, equivalent to about 81.7 million VND/tael if converted at the Vietcombank exchange rate, excluding taxes and fees. The difference between domestic and world gold prices is about 3.5 million VND/tael.